In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your expense settings in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so your purchasing and bill workflows run smoothly. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company and head to the top right corner. Click the small gear icon to open your settings. This is the control center for your company preferences, and it's where you'll make updates that affect how expenses behave across your books. Next, select Account and Settings. This opens a window with different categories down the left-hand side. From here, choose Expenses on the left panel. This is where all your expense-related options live, letting you tailor how bills, purchase orders, and vendor costs are recorded. On this page, you'll see sections for bills and expenses and purchase orders. Take a moment to review each option and set them to match your workflow. For example, you can choose whether to show the items table on expense and purchase forms, which is helpful if you track specific products or services. You can also enable tracking expenses by customer and make expenses billable, which is great if you pass costs on to clients. If you use markups on billable expenses, this is where you can enable and set a default rate, so your invoices stay consistent. Look for default bill payment terms, such as net 30 or due on receipt, and set the one that matches most of your vendor agreements. This helps QuickBooks automatically calculate due dates and improves your cash flow planning. You'll also find a setting to warn you about duplicate bill numbers, a simple safeguard that can prevent double paying the same vendor. If your business uses purchase orders, turn on the option to use them and customize the details, like default messaging or fields you want to appear. This keeps your purchasing process organized and makes it easier to match vendor bills later. As you make changes, move steadily through the options and think about how your team works today. QuickBooks may prompt you to confirm updates within a section, but remember that your changes aren't fully applied until you finalize them. When you're done reviewing and adjusting your preferences, click Done at the bottom right. That saves everything and returns you to your company. If something doesn't look quite right later, you can always come back to the same place and update these settings anytime. That's all there is to it. With your expense settings in place, your forms, bills, and purchase orders will behave the way you expect, cutting down on errors and saving time every month.